Mahndra Defence has announced that it has commenced the production and deliveries of the Armado specialist vehicle to the Indian Army. Mahndra Defence Systems had won a 1,056 crore rupees contract for the manufacture of 1,300 light specialist vehicles for the Indian Army in March 2021 that will be used for reconnaissance and weapon carrier requirements. The induction of these 1,300 light specialist vehicles will be completed in the course of next 4 years. According to a report by CNBC, the deal between Hindustan Aeronautics and General Electric will pave the way for 80% transfer of technology of F414 jet engine technology. The technology transfer will happen in phases, and by end of 3 years from the signing of the deal, 80% of the value of the engine will be manufactured locally in the country. India will get technology for the following parts: coating and machining of single crystal turbine blades, machining and coating of hot end parts, complete tech transfer of blisk machining, machining of powder metallurgy, polymer matrix composites and laser drilling for combustion. The Cabinet Committee on Security is nearing the completion of its review of the AMCA 5th Generation Fighter Jet Program, and it will receive clearance from the Cabinet Committee on Security in mid-September, after which 15,000 crore rupees funds will be cleared for the production of 4 prototypes for extensive developmental trials. The rollout of the first AMCA prototype will happen in mid-2026, and the first flight will take place in late 2027. The British firm BAE Systems has proposed an upgraded 52 caliber barrel for the M777 ultralight howitzer of the Indian Army that will be locally manufactured in India, along with a specialized kit that will enhance its range to 40 kilometers and also ensure better protection against loitering munitions. BAE Systems is currently in discussions with an Indian private sector company that will be responsible for carrying out these upgrades, as well as providing spares and logistical support, with the possibility of exporting it to other countries interested in similar upgrades. Cali Army Strategic Systems will soon send its advanced towed artillery gun to Saudi Arabia for trials, which boasts an impressive firing range of 48 kilometers. Armenia has already purchased 100 ATAGS from India, and the Ministry of Defence has also received a proposal worth 8,000 crore rupees from the Indian Army for the purchase of 307 ATAGS. The rifle factory Ishapore has successfully handed over the first consignment of the 7.62 by 39 mm Trichy assault rifle to the Central Industrial Security Force. It can destroy single or group of targets at 500 meters. However, the destructive effect of the ToT is up to a range of 1,350 meters. Paris Defence has won a 53 crore rupees contract from Ministry of Defence for the supply, installation and support of Optronic Periscopes for integrated combat system. The contract will be executed in 2 phases. A partial delivery will be made in 2024 and the balance delivery in 2025. The authorities have approved the establishment of the NSG hub in Pathankot that will house a dedicated team of highly trained personnel equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and resources, and their primary objective will be to effectively respond to any potential security threats and provide immediate assistance in critical situations. The Indian Navy has issued a request for information for the procurement of 8 units of 50-ton bollard pull tugs and 5 units of 25-ton bollard pull tugs that, apart from towing capability, will have secondary firefighting capability at sea and will be able to assist aircraft carriers of the Navy.